In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create forms in Confluence using Microsoft Forms. Start by opening Microsoft Forms and signing in with your Microsoft account. Next, create a new form by selecting New Form and adding the questions you want your users to answer. Once your form is ready, click the Share button and copy the form's shareable link. Now, switch over to Confluence and open the page where you want to display the form. Click Edit to enter the page editor. Depending on your Confluence setup, you can either paste the Microsoft Forms link directly into the page or use a Microsoft Forms integration app if one has been installed by your administrator. If you're using an integration app, insert the appropriate macro and paste your Microsoft Forms URL into the configuration field. After that, adjust the display settings to ensure the form fits properly on the page and is easy for users to complete. Once everything looks good, click Insert if required and then publish your Confluence page. Your Microsoft form will now appear directly within Confluence, allowing team members to submit responses without leaving the page. If you need to update the questions later, simply edit the form in Microsoft Forms and the changes will automatically be reflected wherever the form is embedded. And that's it. You've successfully created forms in Confluence using Microsoft Forms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.